Hi, I'm Muhammad Idris from Pakistan. Today, I would like to talk about virtual class management. Question to think about it: what is virtual class and how to manage it? A teaching and learning environment located within a computer mediated communication through internet is called virtual classroom. In virtual class, all activities and interactions take place through computer instead of face-to-face learning. Virtual education refers to instruction and learning environment where the teachers and the students are separated by time and space or both. The online learning space where the students and teacher can interact. Now question is that why we study through virtual class? Why it is important? First of all, number one thing that it saved the cost. It reduced the cost. The courses which are very important, which are very necessary, degree program, certification, they have a high cost if we go to travel or we take a residence. So by online classes or virtual classes, it reduced the cost, it saved the traveling. And one give a good example that during COVID, all the school, colleges, university, they continue their education through virtual class by using different software such as Zoom, Loom, Google Meet, like that. So by using virtual classes, we can save the cost, we can save the time. Students and teacher can participate from any part of the world, from any place. Just they have to connect it with the internet through computer and using the software. So they can interact and we can continue our learning process. So this process is called a virtual class, and when we manage them, that is called a virtual class management. Now question, how to manage our virtual class? It is same like as a traditional class. Teacher has a timetable, then he has go to his lesson and he plan all the things and then go to the class, interact with the students and then he teach. At the same like that, teacher has a planning. Teacher plan its lesson. Teacher join its virtual class. It's plan it and according to the proper schedule, timetable, he give the request. He send the request to the students and they join it. When join it, first of all, the teacher will take attendance like a traditional class. In the teaching register, teacher call their name. Now here in virtual class, their method is different. Teacher will take a photo of the students. In the software, when all the students are joined and connected with each other by using virtual class by different software such as Zoom, etc., then teacher take a photo that is called a attendance photo, and we say it a photo arrived on time. On their photo, their names are written below. So this is the attendance first of all. Second thing, teacher play a video, or teacher can give his own lesson and the students can listen it. During this lesson or play a video, teacher can mute their students through the software. And then teacher play their video, teacher give their lesson, for example 5 minutes, 10 minutes he give their lesson or play a video. After that he unmute the students and then there will be a discussion or question answer session will be held. Now there are two methods. Number one, the teacher can start discussion in the main classroom or he can send them group of students in different breakout room. These are virtual breakout room. In the software there is a commands are there. We can give the command and we can create a different virtual breakout room. In virtual breakout room, what will happen? 5 or 6 or 7 students, they will go there and then teacher will send the agenda to them and they will discuss these questions with each other. They will share their experience like that. So this is the thing. For example, there are 28 students in the class. Teacher can make a 4 breakout room. In each breakout room, teacher will send 7 students and they will go and they will discuss the agenda. Agenda means the teachers created some question which is related to the topics, and student will discuss about it. After that, for example, 20 minutes there is a discussion room, student discussion is going on, and teacher can continue uh, check them. He can join the room, different rooms, room number 1, room number 2, room number 3, room number 4, like that. He can visit, he can listen, he can watch them, and then after complete the breakout room, the students will go to the main session again, and then the teacher can take their feedback from the students, and he can give the answer of any question. If the students if they want to ask questions from the teacher can give them, and at the end, at the last, teacher will give them a homework assignment. That homework assignment may be in a Word file, maybe in a PDF file. Teacher will upload the file, and then by this way the students will see the homework assignment and they can solve the assignments. Now question is that how to control the class. Virtual class, it is easy to control as compared to traditional class. In the virtual class, there are a lot of commands are there in the software. Teacher can use them and easily control them. First of all, number one thing, teacher if want to give the lesson, he can mute them, and all the students will listen. They cannot interact with each other. So number one thing. Second, he can share the screen through share screen command. Teacher can share their photos, their pictures, their props, PowerPoint slides, their videos, etc. Teacher can fully control the material which he want to share. Selected material he can share with the students. By this way, we can control the students. If some students make a discipline problem, teacher can give them one warning. He can mute him, or finally he can remove that student from the class. So by this way, we can control the virtual class, and there are different activities. That is play a video, teacher lesson, then discussion, breakout room question answer session, agenda, overall discussion or demonstration, then feedback. So all these are activities. By this way, we can continue our learning process. This is a parallel to the traditional, but it is a latest method, latest technology, by using computers, using software, internet, and by this way we can conduct our class online. This education process is called online learning class or virtual class. So thanks for watching.